Here we are, Hall Green in Birmingham. So as you can see, quite a busy road. We've got bus stop, main road at the bottom of the road. So we're going to keep walking into the house. So here we've got a house which is was previously run as a single let, but has great potential for 6-bed HMO. So walking in, all the doors so far are all fire doors, potentially just missing some fire strips. So not a lot of work required here. Interlinked smoke detection system. A lot of furniture is already in the building. This is one of the first bedrooms, so front bedroom, front of the property. So bedroom number 1, a very good size. And we go to bedroom number 2. All the curtains are drawn out, so it's a little bit dark in here. So bedroom number 2, it's not painted red, it's just a reflection of the curtains. So keep moving on. So the house has actually got 2 bathrooms, 6 bedrooms, and one of the bedrooms also got ensuite as well. So here's one of the bathrooms downstairs, it's got a shower, toilet and wash basin. And then we've got it's got a kitchen diner, so as you can see it's got a dining area here. Got a quite large kitchen, so it's got lots of storage facility. You've got some appliances already fitted in, so you can see the fridge there, you've got washing machine integrated with appliances. What I'm going to do is, you can see around the corner there, where you can see the back door there, I'm actually going to take you back out the way that we come, into this door here. So this is almost like another lounge area, so this would be like the communal lounge, which leads out not only onto the back garden, but also into the kitchen area there. So, and it's got a very nice and very clean and tidy back garden as well. It's in a great area, especially for working professionals. So we're going to quickly just run upstairs. So upstairs we've got, as soon as you walk to the top of the stairs, you've got what used to be the main family bathroom. Again, very clean. And then if we come out, we go to the right, we've got 2 bedrooms, one to the front of the house, which is again a decent size, all above the average of a single room. So we've got 2 bedrooms there, and then on the other side of the house, just go to the rear, you've got another good sized bedroom, got some fitted wardrobes there, and then you've got the master bedroom at the front of the house. The good thing with this one, okay, it's got some furniture in there, it's got its own ensuite. So if you like the look of it, want to have a chat about it, feel free to give me a call. My number and email address will be at the bottom of the video or in the blog. Thank you, bye bye.